Question number 1. The term chromosome was first proposed by Valdier, Strasburger, Morgan, Sutton, and Boveri. So, correct answer is option 1. Valdier introduced the term chromosome for the first time in 1889. Question number 2. Lamb brush chromosome are observed in insect larva, oocyte, sperm, salivary gland. So, correct answer is option 2. Lamb brush chromosome was first observed in oocyte of amphibians. Question number 3. A nuclear organizer is a primary constriction, secondary constriction, tertiary constriction, centriole. So correct answer is option 2. Nuclear organizer is an example of secondary constriction. Question number 4. Most diagnostic character of centromere is kinetochore, kinetosome, satellite body, chromogen. So correct answer is option 1. Kinetochore is a protein structure present at the centromere. Question number 5. The chromosomes are composed of DNA, RNA, histone and non-histone protein, DNA and histone protein, DNA and RNA, DNA, RNA as well as histone protein. So correct answer is option 1. Chromosome is composed of DNA, RNA, histone as well as non-histone proteins. Question number 6. According to multi-stranded theory, each chromosome is composed of 16 DNA, 32 DNA, 2 DNA, 1 DNA. So correct answer is option 1. According to multi-strand theory of chromosome, each chromosome is composed of 16 DNA. Question number 7. The non-sticky chromosomal ends are known as chromatid, centromere, chromomere, telomere. So correct answer is option 4. Telomere are the non-sticky chromosomal ends. Question number 8. The highest arm ratio occurs in which chromosome? Telocentric, metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric. So correct answer is option 4. Acrocentric chromosome have highest arm ratio. Question number 9. Hereditary material that is present outside of the chromosome is cistron, plasmon, muton, intron. So correct answer is option 2. Plasmon is called as hereditary material that is present outside of the chromosome. Question number 10. The lamb brush chromosome contain 1 chromatid, 2 chromatid, 3 chromatid, several chromatids. So correct answer is option 2. 2 chromatids are present in lamb brush chromosome. Question number 11. One solenoid composed of 8 nucleosome, 6 nucleosome, 10 nucleosome, 16 nucleosome. So correct answer is option 2. 6 nucleosome unite to form one solenoid fiber. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Which chromosome does not provide attachment site for spindle fiber? Acrocentric, metacentric, submetacentric, acentric. So correct answer is option 4. Acentric chromosome have no centromere, so it provides no site for attachment of spindle fibers. Question number 13. The heterochromatin is condensed in the following region of chromosomes. Secondary constriction 1, secondary constriction 2, both above, telomere. So correct answer is option 3. Heterochromatin condensed in both secondary constriction 1 as well as in secondary constriction 2. Question number 14. The small chromosome which do not produce any detectable phenotypic expression are termed as heterochromatic chromosome, supernumerary chromosome, nonsense chromosome, nucleate. So correct answer is option 2. Supernumerary chromosomes are the small chromosomes which have no phenotypic expression. Question number 15. Exceptionally large chromosomes is lamb brush chromosome, polytene chromosome, mega chromosome, all of the above. So correct answer is option 4. Exceptionally large chromosomes are lamb brush chromosome, polytene chromosome as well as mega chromosomes. Question number 16. The chromosomes appear as beaded structure at liptoten, pachytene, diagnosis, telophase 1. So correct answer is option 1. In liptoten stage of prophase 1, chromosome appears as beaded structure. Question number 17. Which chromosome remains condensed during interphase? So normal X chromosomes, X chromosome of Bohr body, autosome, none of the above. So correct answer is option 2. X chromosome of Bohr body remains condensed during interphase. Question number 18. Histone which links the nucleosome together is called H1 histone. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 19. The lamb brush chromosomes are observed in mitotic metaphase, meiotic prophase. So यही करेक्ट आंसर है. म्यूटिक प्रोफेज के अंदर जो है वो लैम ब्रश क्रोमोसोम्स ऑब्जर्व किए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. The outermost covering of chromosome is called tonoplast, pellicle, unit membrane, mesosome. So correct answer is option 2. Pellicle is the outermost covering of chromosome. Question number 21. The least level of chromosome organization is 30 nanometer fiber or solenoid, nucleosome, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Nucleosome represents the least level of chromosome organization. Question number 22. Which has the largest number of chromosomes? Pisum sativum, giant redwood tree, Haplopepus gracilis, Ophioglossum reticulatum. So correct answer is option 4. Ophioglossum reticulatum is a pteridophyte and it has largest number of chromosomes. Question number 23. A chromosome with a very short arm and very long arm is metacentric, telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric. So correct answer is option C. Acrocentric chromosome has very short arm and a very long arm. Question number 24. A chromosome that is thickest during anaphase, prophase, interphase, metaphase. So correct answer is option D. In metaphase stage, chromosomes is thickest. Question number 25. The diagrammatic representation of karyotype of a species is cladogram, echogram, chromogram, ideogram. So correct answer is option D. Ideogram is the diagrammatic representation of karyotype of species. Question number 26. Fleming discovered the chromosomes in larva of frog, sea urchin, starfish, salamander. So correct answer is option D. Fleming discovered the chromosomes in larva of salamander. Question number 27. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by Walter Soton, Carl Coren, Mendel, Walther Fleming. So correct answer is option A. Walther Soton proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Question number 28. The point at which polytene chromosomes appears to be attached together is known as centriole, centromere, chromomere, chromocenter. So correct answer is option 4. Polytene chromosomes are attached at chromocenter region. Question number 29. In which typical stage are Lamb-Brush chromosomes observed? Meiotic prophase, mitotic metaphase, mitotic prophase, mitotic anaphase. So correct answer is option A. In meiotic prophase, Lamb-Brush chromosomes are observed in diplotin stage. Question number 30. Question number 30. Which of the following has 40 chromosomes? Corn, frog, sugarcane, mouse. So correct answer is option D. Mouse has 40 chromosomes. Question number 31. The DNA threads which appear inside the nucleus at the time of cell division are spindle fiber, centrioles, esters, chromosomes. So correct answer is option D. Chromosomes are the DNA threads that are appeared at the time of cell division. Question number 32. Which is not a major class of chromatin protein? Histone, topoisomerase, SMC protein, or quiescent. So correct answer is option D. Quiescent is not a major class of chromatin protein. Question number 33. Which are essential to the condensation of chromosomes as cell intermitosis? Quiescence, condensins, histone, topoisomerases. So correct answer is option B. Condensins are the protein that are essential for the condensation of chromosomes when cell enter in mitosis stage. Question number 34. Which one has beads on string structure? Chromosomes, chromatin, nucleosome, heterochromatin. So correct answer is option C. Nucleosome has beads on string. Question number 35. Cellular DNA is uncondensed throughout prophase, interphase, telophase, anaphase. So correct answer is option B. Cellular DNA is uncondensed in interphase. Question number 36. Who coined the term chromatin? Walther Fleming, W. Rox, E. Strasburger, Boveri. So correct answer is option A. Walther Fleming coined the term chromatin. Question number 37. The haploid set of chromosomes is called as proteome, genomics, genome, gene. So correct answer is option C. Genome is the haploid set of chromosomes. Question number 38. The size of chromosome is measured during prophase, metaphase, anaphase, all of these. So correct answer is option B. The size of chromosomes can be measured best in metaphase stage. Question number 39. Question number 39. The chromosomes are composed of 40% protein and 60% DNA, 50% protein and 50% DNA, 70% protein and 30% DNA, 60% protein and 40% DNA. So correct answer is option D. Chromosomes has more protein and less amount of DNA. Question number 40. Histone have abundance of amino acid. Arginine and lysine are two basic amino acids that are maximally present in histone. So correct answer is option A. Question number 41. The bands and interbands are the characteristic of which chromosome? Lamb-Brush, polytene, giant chromosome, or heterochromatin chromosome? So correct answer is option 2. Polytene chromosomes have bands as well as interbands. Question number 42. Which enzyme acts as chromosomal brakes? DNA polymerase, DNase, DNA ligase, DNA polymerase 2. So correct answer is option 2. DNase are the enzymes which can break the chromosomes. Question number 43. Arm ratio in metacentric condition is 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 2:3. So correct answer is option 1. The arm length in metacentric chromosome is equal, so arm ratio is 1:1. Question number 44. The part of the chromosomes that remains after secondary construction is called chromomere, telomere, satellite, nuclear organizer. So correct answer is option 3. Satellite is a part of chromosomes that remains behind after secondary construction. Question number 45. The structure which provides shape to the chromosomes is called telomere, satellite, centromere, chromomere. So correct answer is option 3. Centromere provides shape to the chromosomes. Question number 46. Chromonemata embedded in a stroma matrix, sugar, mucilage. So correct answer is option 2. Chromonemata are the structures that are embedded in matrix of chromosomes. Question number 47. Term heterochromatin and duochromatin were first coined by Hertz, Balbiani, Painter or Kostov. So correct answer is option 1. Hertz introduced the term heterochromatin as well as euchromatin. Question number 48. The general length of chromosome is almost 0.1 micron to 30 microns. So correct answer is option 3. Question number 49. The two ends of chromatids are called nucleosome, satellite DNA, telomeres, kinetochores. So correct answer is option 3. The two non-sticky ends of chromatids are known as telomeres. Question number 50. The chromosomes with centromere at one end is metacentric, submetacentric, telocentric, acrocentric. So correct answer is option 3. If the centromere is present at one end, then chromosome is known as telocentric chromosome. Question number 51. The part of the chromosome which joins with spindle fiber is chromatid, chromonema, chromomere, centromere. So correct answer is option 4. Centromere is a part of chromosomes that can join with spindle fiber. Question number 52. Telomere consists of short sequences of cytosine-rich repeats, adenine-rich repeats, guanine-rich repeats, thymine-rich repeats. So correct answer is option 3. Telomere of chromosomes have short sequences of guanine-rich repeats. Question number 53. The plant that has minimum number of chromosome is Haplopeppus gracillus, Salix, Tetrasperma, Poa or Cynodon. So correct answer is option 1. Haplopeppus gracillus has minimum number of chromosomes that is equal to almost 4 chromosomes. Question number 54. Telomerase is an enzyme which is RNA, ribonucleoprotein, repetitive DNA, simple protein. So correct answer is option 2. Telomerase is an enzyme present in telomere and it is ribonucleoprotein in nature. Question number 55. Who first synthesized artificial gene in laboratory? Mendel, Khurana, Soton, Kornberg. So correct answer is option 2. The first artificially synthesized gene was created by Khurana. Question number 56. Nucleosome model was proposed by Dupuy, Kornberg and Thomas, Stephenson, Valdier and Taylor. So correct answer is option 2. Kornberg and Thomas proposed the nucleosome model of chromosomes. Question number 57. Which chromosome is not present in nuclear organizer region? Chromosome 14, 15, 23, 21. So correct answer is option C. Chromosome 23 is not present in nuclear organizer region. Question number 58. The term chromonema was first introduced by Fardel Fleming, Vygotsky, E. Strasburger, Boveri. So correct answer is option B. The chromonema that are beads-like structure present on the chromosome and they were first introduced by Vygotsky. Question number 59. The chromosomes are morphologically numbered into 5 groups, 2 groups, 3 groups, 7 groups. So correct answer is option D. On the position and number of centromere, the chromosomes are morphologically numbered into 7 groups. Question number 60. The number of base pairs that are present in nucleosome is 142 base pair, 146 base pair, 106 base pair, 64 base pair. So correct answer is option B. On average, 146 base pairs are present in